Hello. Welcome back to Lifetime Growth, where we help you become the best version of yourself. Be sure you like and subscribe for more content. Today we are digging deep into an interesting topic, so stay with us till the end to gain a thorough understanding. We have all heard advice that is largely directed toward women, such as how to be highly valued, how to be attractive. We hear it rarely for men. But in today's society, being a high-value man is even more desirable. Not only does it increase your chances of success in your personal and professional life, but it also allows you to attract and maintain healthy relationships. So in this video, we'll enlighten you on how to become a high-value man. What does it mean to be a high-value man? Becoming a high-value man involves much more than just physical attributes or material possessions. It's about embodying qualities such as integrity, empathy, leadership, and more. Ultimately making you an asset to those around you. Now, the most crucial question that might be popping into your mind is how to achieve this. Becoming a high-value man is a process that requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to improve yourself continuously. The first step that will contribute to becoming a high-value man is self-awareness. This is the foundation for personal growth and development. Without it, you won't know what areas you need to improve or what strengths you can leverage. How to create self-awareness. It's done in the following ways. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and aware of your thoughts and feelings. In this way, you can develop a deeper understanding of your emotions and reactions to different situations. Seek feedback. Ask trusted friends or family members for feedback on your strengths and weaknesses. It can help you identify areas for improvement and also give you a better understanding of how others perceive you. Reflect on your experiences. Take time to reflect on your past experiences and how they have shaped you as a person. What have you learned from your success and failure? What are some values that are important to you, and how do they influence you? The second step is to build confidence. Confidence is a key trait of a high-value man. It's not about being arrogant or narcissistic, but rather having a strong sense of self-worth and belief in your abilities. Here are some tips to do so. Set achievable goals. Start by setting small, achievable goals for yourself. When you accomplish these goals, you'll feel a sense of satisfaction and confidence that will motivate you to set more challenging goals. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical and mental health because when you feel good about yourself, you'll naturally feel more confident. Embrace failure. Everyone fails at some point in their lives. Instead of letting failure bring you down, use it as an opportunity to learn and grow. When you're not afraid to fail, you'll have the confidence to take risks and try new things. The third step is to have strong social skills. You should be able to communicate effectively with others, build meaningful relationships, and navigate social situations with ease. If you don't know how to do this, don't worry. We got you covered. Practice active listening. It means focusing on what the other person is saying and responding thoughtfully. This helps build rapport and shows that you value the other person's perspective. Cultivate empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. When you can empathize with others, you'll be better equipped to build meaningful relationships and navigate social situations. Develop your communication skills. Communication is key in any relationship, whether it's personal or professional. Develop your verbal and nonverbal communication skills to convey your thoughts and feelings effectively. The final step is having a sense of purpose. It is a process that requires introspection and self-reflection. When you have the 3 skills mentioned above, then trust me, it's not difficult to find a purpose. The last factor, the Sigma rule, is to improve yourself. You can't expect to be attractive to others if you don't take care of yourself first. There is no set rule as every person has a different story. But the things we'll all agree on are to develop a fitness routine, eat a healthy diet, read books, learn new skills, take care of our appearance, and constantly challenge ourselves to be better than we were yesterday. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments below which improvements you want to embrace to become a high-value man. Take a moment to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications to receive updates on personal growth development and much more. Grow your mindset and let us continue this journey in the next video. Share moments, share growth. Take care.